Welcome to our second part of Super Life Business Opportunity. From the previous session, we've already learned about our company profile, our company products, our board of directors, the legality, and the achievements that we previously had. And at this point, I just want to take you through the money part and show you how you can be a member of Super Life and make money through our modern compensation plan. Let's get started. Before I go to the main business, I want to show you something about traditional business distribution. A manufacturer traditionally used to use dealers to move the products from the company, from the manufacturer to the consumer, who is the end user. And then the dealers, they use wholesalers use retailers, and then the retailers, they take the product to the final consumer. In this way of distribution, you realize the commission used to be earned by the dealers, wholesalers, retailers, and the only thing the consumer used to do was just to consume the product. In this system, the company used to invest a lot in advertising, in branding, and in marketing. But I want to introduce to a modern concept of doing business, that is multi-level distribution system, where Super Life has actually adopted the modern way of doing business. And this is where the end user, who is the consumer, becomes a member of Super Life, and they market the product to them. Other members who will also join and become the consumer. And then, for example, the other member, they share this business opportunity, they share to others, they become members, and also they become the consumer of our products, the products we had talked about STC30. In this system, you realize the commissions goes to the members, and the company does not invest in marketing, the company does not invest in advertising. In such a case, you realize for you to be now part of this company, and you have to be a member and also the consumer of our products. And how do you join? How do you become a member of Super Life? We have 3 ways of joining, and the ways are actually distributed into packages. And the first way is a star package, where you buy 2 products of a STC30 at $125 USD. You can also join the business as a Supreme, where you buy 8 products of STC30 at $480 USD. Yes, the company gives you 7 ways of earning. The first one is retail, direct referral bonus, double development bonus, roll-up bonus, key-in bonus, and unilevel bonus. For example, assuming you come the first way of earning, which is retail, is actually optional. For example, if you join as a star package, you're going to get 2 packages of our STC30, and that is consumable per month. So you can just go and use the company product. You don't have to sell. But in case you're good in selling and you want to retail our product, you retail at a profit. But it doesn't mean that if you're not good in selling, you're not going to make money. Even without selling, you still make money in Super Life. Now, how do you make money? Through direct sponsoring, compressed roll-up bonus, and massive bonus. With a star package, you come and invest $125 USD and you become a member. The company operates on a binary system, and they tell you to go out there and introduce just 2 people to the business. Just go and share this opportunity to 2 people who can come and join the business just like you did. If you get your first person, the company pays you a commission of 30 USD. You introduce your second person, the company pays you a commission of 30 USD. And because you have someone who have joined your team on the left, this is the left business, and the right business, the company gives you 18 USD. Just by introducing 2 people in the business, you're going to take home 78 USD. Now, assuming this person is person A and person B, when they come in business, we're still going to tell you, just like we are telling you now, that you go out there and introduce 2 people in the business by sharing about the benefits of the business and the benefits of the products. And when they go out there, remember, this person introduces this and introduces this, and also they match. And so they're also going to make 78 USD like you, and also this person is also going to make 78 USD. And at this point, they are very grateful that you got to understand about this business opportunity and you shared with them. But now the question is, are you going to make money? Yes, because the company, it says, were it not for you, who believed in the company vision, who believed in the company product benefits and bought the company products, and you introduce 2 more people to come, and also you refer 2 people to come and do the same, the company could not have doubled the effort of bringing 4. And so the company says anytime you have someone joining your team on the left and on the right, you're going to make how much? 18 USD. Anytime you have someone joining your team on the left and on the right, you're also going to make how much? 18 USD. And this system continues until infinity. The beauty of this system, it is a single account system. That means that any person that will ever join your team, they're either joining your team on the left and on the right, and you will always stand a chance of making that 18 USD. But do you want to make more than 18 USD? I'm sure the answer is yes. Then you invest a lot, that is 480 USD, and you're going to get 8 packages. And so this is we call you a supreme in the system. The system is the same. You go and introduce 2 people, but in this case the commission is higher because you brought people who are buying more products and they're investing more in the company. So you're going to make 140 USD on the left, 140 USD on your right business, and also the matching bonus is also higher because it is 72 USD. You realize just by introducing 2 people in the business, you've already made a total commission of 352 USD. These people who come in business, they're also going to do the same. We'll tell them to go out there and share this great business opportunity to 2 of their friends who may come to do the business full-time, part-time, online or offline, depending on what they want. But you realize anytime people joining your team, you realize you have 2 people who join your left business and 2 people who have joined your right business. And so anytime you have a left and a right, they make a match. You make how much? 72 USD, 72 USD. One thing I'm going to tell you about the Supreme, you realize from the star you are making 18 USD by matching, but in this case you're making a lot of money, that is 72 USD, and the business continues and continues until infinity, and any person that will ever join your team on the left and on the right, you will forever make 72 USD, whether it is in passive, and this is with what you call the power of leverage. But now, assuming you're a super package, in Super Life we say life is super because the ultimate goal of the company is to ensure that everyone become a super package. How? By giving us an upgrade system. An upgrade system is whereby you can start with 125 USD, then you make money very fast and you upgrade with 48 USD, and you make money very fast and you upgrade to a super package 1250 USD. This is because this is where money is in super package. In case you don't have money to get started with 1250, you're not disadvantaged because of the upgrade system. You can start with whatever you can afford, make money, let the system work for you, let the system gives you the full confidence to invest. Then when you come on board, you're going to work with you until you start making money. And so if you introduce a super package, you're going to make 348 USD. You bring your left business and you make 348, and when they match, the company pays you 180 USD. You realize here the matching is quite a lot, and also the direct sponsoring, the commission is quite a lot, because you're bringing people who are investing 1250 to the business. And so the company is also making a lot of money, but part of that money they are paying you, because remember, you're the one who is advertising, is marketing for the company. Just by bringing 2 people, you make 876 USD. And now the 2 people whom you bring in business, they are equally going to do the same, and the system is the same. Anytime you have a left and a right business matching, you make 18. You see, the ultimate goal of Super Life is to become a super, because you're making 180 USD for every match. Meaning when you do this business 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, there is no single week or single day you won't go without making 180 USD. Just a business you believed it, trusted, and worked it out with 1250 USD. But now it's not always the case. You can come on board and you are joined with a start at 125, and you are not limited to bring stars alone. But in case you bring a star, you're paid how much? 30 USD. How about if you bring a supreme? The company doubles the commission and they pay you 60 because you've sold more products. When I say selling, I mean you brought someone who have joined the business with a higher package. And when you bring even a higher package of super, the company again pays you 80 USD. They recognize your effort. You're not only bringing stars alone, even if you're just a star. If you are a Supreme, you bring a star, it's 30 USD. Supreme bringing a Supreme is 140 USD. But a Supreme bringing a Super again, they recognize your effort and they pay you 160 USD. In Super Life, again, I continue to say life is super because here you get a maximum of 35% on every sponsoring bonus. If you bring a star, it's 30 USD. Supreme is 140 USD. A super to us bringing a super is 350 USD. But now this is a 1 year scenario of someone who is probably even doing the business as part-time, even as a starter. You realize the business is capable of paying you 36,000 USD in just a scenario of 1 year. 2 bringing 2, the 4 brings 8, the 8 brings 16, the 16 brings 32, like that, and we all make money together. In Super Life, we promise you 4 things: financial freedom, health freedom, time freedom, and lifestyle. And in such a case, you're able to see these are the awards. These are board of directors who are receiving awards. Like in this case, they were receiving an award at Intercontinental London Lane Park. These are the Ugandans and these are the board of directors. We also have company events whereby we award the people who are doing well in the business. This is Tanzania, this is Tanzania, this is here in Kenya, and we have so many of them because the company is global. Then we have lifestyle, we have dinner with the CEO. We are able to interact. This is Kenya. This is actually one of the recent events that was here in Kenya, and we were able to learn so much. And the company is expanding each and every day. We also have Dubai trips. We have international trips where the company actually gives you a trip to just go and have fun, because we say all work and no playmates. Super Life member, DAL distributors. And so the company once in a while they'll come up with campaigns where we qualify to go. And I will finish by saying, to walk 1,000 miles, you have to decide to take the first step. To walk 1,000 miles, you have to decide to take the first step. And with God, commitments, and Super Life, we are able to reach all our dreams. You are out there, you've been looking for a job. You are out there, you've been looking for an extra source of income. You are out there, you're looking for a way out. This is a business for you. It's not a difficult business. You can do it part-time, you can do it full-time, you can do it online, you can do it offline, because it is a business of people. The one thing I love about this business is like my payment is not pegged on my efforts alone, but it's my effort and the effort of everyone that comes and join my team, and we are able to work together to see all our dreams come true. May God bless you even as you decide to take your first step.